So Ann, it's a fun time here at your property in La Habra. We're with Ann Goodman in La Habra, and Western Roofing Systems is installing the first cottage shingle for Metro Roof products that's ever been installed. And Ann, you're having a steel roof installed, and kind of curious how you made the choice to have a stone-coated steel roof installed on your beautiful property.
I've seen steel-coated metal roofs in my neighborhood, and I like them. And when I started doing research online, I came across Metro, and I kept looking at their pictures. I talked to someone a few years ago, actually before I was really ready to do it. I like the products, but this time when I made the decision to go ahead, the product that they had, Cottage, was a smaller scale roof, and I was sold on that.
Okay.
And I liked the dark color. It matched what my wood roof used to
Right,
look like.
right, very nice. And so you have a mixture of asphalt shingle in your neighborhood, wood shake, and quite a bit of metal in your neighborhood as well. And so did you find difficulty in sorting through which material that would be best for you?
Well, I talked to Metro a few years ago, and I like the material. My hesitation was because of the size of the roofing, the scale of it was kind of large.
Okay.
But I waited to see if there'd be a new product. And I waited a couple years to see if something else would come out.
Right.
And when I saw the smaller scale roofing, I thought it would be
And so are you pleased with the look?
I am.
And the pricing, how did it compare to other competitive bids? I presume that you got some quotes on roofing. And
I got a quote, and the high price roofing, the asphalt roofing that they had was almost the same as the metal roofing. And now I don't have to think about roofing anymore.
So some of your neighborhoods, or your neighbors in the neighborhood, are replacing their asphalt shingles, even though they originally purchased asphalt thinking they wouldn't have to have it replaced, and now they're having to have it replaced, what, maybe 15, 20 years later?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, and that makes the decision much easier then to go to steel. Now, how about Western Roofing Systems as a contractor? Have you been satisfied? How did you choose Western Roofing Systems versus some other contractor?
It was probably on the web that I looked at different roofing companies on the web, and I don't really remember, other than they had lots of pictures that I could look at. There's no one around that I know that has it. So I think it was my web searching, and then I talked to somebody from Western Roofing a few years ago.